What's up, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the Next DIY Lawn channel. Guys, we're back with yet another episode of What's in the Jug. Today, guys, we're talking all about the brand new product just released this year here in 2022, and that is the 2600 Green Charge product, also known as Enhanced Efficacy Controlled Release Liquid Nitrogen with Micronutrients, making it an all-purpose workhorse for all turf types. To further elaborate, guys, this product contains nitrogen, iron, sulfur, magnesium, manganese, copper. It's also got some non-plant food ingredients such as humic acid derived from leonardite, as well as cold water kelp. The 2600 Green Charge will fit into any lawn care program of any kind, and with that, it will provide long-lasting color as well as micronutrient supplements for up to 8 weeks. As far as application rates go with this particular product, whether you're warm or cool season, it's going to be the same for everybody. The application rate on the lawns is going to be 16 ounces per thousand. Guys, if you apply this, you're going to have the deepest, darkest, greenest, thickest lawn on the block. Leave a like, leave a comment down below, let us know what you thought about it, and please let us know your plans this year here in 2022 with this brand new product that we all have under our belts now. Guys, I could tell you, I got some ideas, and it's going to be fun, and it's going to be awesome, and I recommend you subscribe to this channel to see all of that awesomeness come to life. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next What's in the Jug.